Hi guys, I actually started the start button before I really knew what I wanted to say. So let's think. I think that today I want to talk with you about stuff. For example, what I'm wearing now, I wear a second-hand shirt and a second-hand jeans. Actually, everything that I wear now is second-hand, except for my shoes. And these shoes I have now, I think, for 8 years, a little bit over 8 years. And well, you can see that I've had them for so long because they are a little bit worn out and they have a little bit of holes in them, but they are not broken. And I think that that's the point that I want to make, that I have the feeling that people are so quick with throwing stuff away. And even though my shoes don't look new anymore, I would not throw them away because they are still very good hiking shoes and walking shoes. And I don't know, I also think that we used to repair a lot more than we do now, and I actually don't know why, because when something is broken and you care about it, why don't we just try and repair them or ask somebody to repair it for us? And then you don't have to accumulate all these new stuff because you can reuse your old stuff. And I also think that it's maybe way cooler if you go to your friends or to a party and somebody says like, oh, you're wearing such a cool shirt or cool shoes, and that you can say, oh yeah, I already have this for 8 years, because that means that you took care of it and that you still care about it. And that's all you want, right? Because why would you want to throw stuff away and buy all these new things and then break them, or think you break them, and then throw them away again? So I'm not sure if this is making sense as it makes sense in my head, but yeah, I think that was just a thought that I wanted to share. So this is an old jar. I think it was a tomato soup jar, and I have glasses, I do, but I was thirsty and I didn't have any big glasses, so I just reused this old jar and used it as a glass. Super smart. So I'm going to make some egg salad. My dad and brother really like it, so I decided to store something for them. I also really like this recipe, as I can make this egg salad without producing waste. With that, I made that not all products are package free, but that all packages that are involved in this recipe will be either reused or repurposed. I'm also going to explain to you how I do that. So first I need to boil the eggs. The package that comes with the eggs I often use to mix my paint when I'm painting. Also, when you save your egg cartons and collect many, you can bring them to, for example, a primary school. They are often very happy with it. Most of the time, I buy my eggs at the greengrocer myself, where I can bring my own carton, as the eggs can be picked from a huge basket. In this way, I can use the same package over and over again. So I took a pen, because I didn't really have a bowl to mix, but this pen works perfectly. And I also got a wooden spoon, and I need something to store my egg salad in, so I will use a glass jar. It is really easy to reuse these jars. You can just soak off the label with a little bit of hot water, some coconut oil and some baking soda. After the eggs are cooled off, I peel them. I remove all the egg yolk from the eggs and mash them with a fork. Then I add some mayonnaise to the egg yolk. The mayonnaise also doesn't come package free, but it comes in a glass jar. This glass jar I also reuse for storing pasta or storing seeds, and it's also really useful when storing leftovers. The spices that I add to the egg salad are chili powder, curry, and paprika. I stir everything together and then cut up the egg whites. I add them to the pan, stir everything together, and then as a final touch, I mix it up with some chives. So this is my egg salad. I like it so much better than the egg salad that you buy in the store because it doesn't have a plastic package, which it has when you buy it in the supermarket. It also doesn't have all the extra unhealthy stuff in it, and it's also cheaper to make it yourself.